Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This isn't like my usual videos. Here I'm just gonna show you how it was traveling to a place called Qacha's Neck in Lesotho. Basically, I want you to see the beauty of the mountainous kingdom of Lesotho. We used the Roma route, Roma to Semongon route. There's apparently two routes. Oh yeah, this one you pass by the National University of Lesotho. Quite interesting. There's apparently two routes. One that goes through the National University and then one that goes through Qacha, which is apparently really long. So like I said, we used the Roma route. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and watch all of my other videos. This is quite a different video. All you're gonna see is the beautiful mountain kingdom. And it's not a how-to guide like I usually do with my other videos, but it's just the opportunity for you to see a bit of life in Lesotho and, like I keep saying, the beauty of the mountainous kingdom of Lesotho. We went through Semongon, where we saw the Maletsunyane falls from a distance, because the route that goes directly to the viewpoint was messy, was horrible, because there were lots of rains, which is quite strange for such a big tourist site, you know, for the route to be like that. But you'll see as the video goes on. Keep watching. Yeah, remember to subscribe and to ring that notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you know about it. So, this is the route I talked about earlier in this video. The road to the Maletsunyane waterfalls, one of the highest single dropping waterfalls in the southern hemisphere. And when it rains, this is how the road looks. Yeah, not so ideal for such an interesting and famous tourist attraction site in Lesotho. There is unfortunately no tar road on the road leading up to the main viewpoint of the falls, but 8 minutes drive up on the road to Qacha. There's a small viewpoint which we used, and this is how it looked. from Botabute, another district in Lesotho, to this district, Qacha's Neck, we arrived. We booked into a guest house called Letloepe and we stayed in a room called Mamosa. It was a nice day. We were actually here for a very beautiful Qacha wedding. If you want to see how it turned out, you can watch the videos on my Instagram and check out the beautiful pictures as well on my Instagram. Let's connect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like it, and to comment if you have any questions or if you have anything that's on your mind that you want clarification on. Just leave a comment down below. And don't forget to watch the rest of my videos because I promise you they are amazing.